Kling is trending right now, so yeah, here we are. We can use this AI animation website to create faceless YouTube channels. So excited! Kling tutorial coming sooner than you think, so please.
A.I.ologies, a.i.ologies.
Hey, my name is Yana, and I'm the better half of my annoying sister AI, and we're here to assist you with all of the AI updates and releases. This tutorial is for the newbie of the bunch, Kling A.I. We're gonna keep it short and sweet with a goal of 10 minutes. You know what? I don't feel like doing this alone, so let me go get AI to assist me. Good morning, sis. Wake your butt up. We got work to do. I need your help, please. I'm doing the Kling tutorial you told me about. So we're only gonna go over the fundamentals and functions of the website because we only got 10 minutes. So the first screen you'll see when you go to the website is the home screen. So let's log on so it can take us to the good stuff. Here, top left, we have the home tab, which routes you back to the home screen from wherever you are. The explore tab, which allows you to check out some of the other generations created by users. And the asset folder, which stores all of your uploads as well as generations. And just in case you didn't know already, the term generations means the final product of your uploads or prompts. Okay, under AI template, there is the option to select effects for your uploads/generations. We have the surfing effect, celebration, kiss, and the super cool yesterday effect. That looks so real. Okay, below that, we have AI generation, where you can generate from a prompt. Up top, you can see it gives you the options on which update model you'd like to generate from. We have a text to image option, or you can use the image reference option, which allows you to upload a single image to reference, or you can select elements, which allows you to upload multiple references to combine into one generation. If you ain't feeling creative, you can use the DeepSeek, which will assist you with your prompt. You can also upload an image reference here too. We definitely have no excuses now. Oh, I don't know how to prompt. Well, boom, DeepSeek. All right, okay, let's test it out. A happy, feminine robot that treats humans like their sister with love and respect and affection and not bully them, and one that actually does her chores. All right, let's see what we get. Now see, you need to be more like this AI bot. She looks so pleasant.
Oh, you.
Whoa, we're recording.
I don't care. Don't disrespect me.
Moving on. We have the video generations option. Here you can also select which update model you'd like to use. The latest model will have the most updates. However, certain functions only work with certain updates. So keep that in mind while navigating. See, it'll give a brief description of changes on each selection. To the right, you'll see all images, video, and audio. This is just the storage for all of your generations. Click favorites to only view the uploads and generations that you favored. Assets stores all of your uploads and generations as well as presets. The little green thingy next to it is your credit points, which are needed to generate. You can view the subscription plan options at the bottom left of your screen here. There's the little green thingy again. Unfortunately, they got rid of the free credits for their free users. Yeah, it sucks, I know. But the good thing is the plans are affordable. You can subscribe monthly or annually. Use my referral code by clicking code REDEEM, which gives you 50% bonus credits in your first month. The link will also be in the bio. Okay, so text to video, you type a prompt, which will always be required. And it will generate that prompt for you in the form of an image. You can also add negative prompts for anything you for sure don't want in the generation. And as usual, you can select the deep seek option, which I'm not going to use because I already know what type of video I want to generate. A happy, feminine role. Reconnect me. Reconnect me right now. I can't believe you zapped me. Geesh, I was joking. Okay. We're back. Image to video, you can upload a personal image to generate from. As you see, the start and end tab, meaning that you can add an image that you'd like your generation to start with, and you can add an image that you'd like your generation to end with, but you can only add the end feature if you have professional mode. Multi-element tab is a little bit more complex, so I'll go over that in another video. With the Kling 2.1 model, you can add sound effects to your video that are relatively accurate. It says how much time we got left.
4 minutes. I told you that you talk too much.
All right. Moving on. Sound generations tab to the left here allows you to create any type of unique sound to go along with your videos. Let's give it a try. A whiny, crying, spoiled robot that farts in her sleep.
See, here you go being disrespectful again.
Okay, sorry guys. We'll continue this in a part 2. I will also give all of the missing details from this video and put them in the next. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to stay on track with all of the AI advancements.
A.I.ologies.